What should you do if the birds got into your engines and there is only forest and water around? There are many solutions, but only one will save the lives of your passengers. You have to land on water. First, find the landing site. It should be a wide, straight river or lake more than 2 kilometers long. Step 2. Emergency shut down the engines, APU and GPWS. Step 3. Connect the emergency generator. The power button is located under the cover on the top panel. It must be pressed once. Step 4. Notify the ATC about your trouble. Maybe they'll find some solutions for you. But if no, step 5. Descend to your landing place, holding your speed. Step 6. Descend to 100 feet and alert the passengers. Press the splashdown button, which is also covered by a shutter. It will close all the openings in the fuselage.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
Keep a 15 degrees up until touching the water.
MD82, 2, Alpha, Alpha, cleared IFR2, Fresno Air Terminal, as filed, maintain, flight level 350, squawk, 4700. Cleared IFR2, Fresno Air Terminal, as filed, maintain, flight level 350, squawk, 4700, MD82, 2, Alpha, Alpha.
Retard. 10. Retard. 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 5. Retard. Retard.
After stopping, cut off the batteries, announce evacuation. and leave the plane.